Hi, in this video I will show you how to add a blog to your website using WebWave. We are going to create our very first blog post, an article layout template, and add an editor-in-chief to manage the content on our website. Let's get started. Our first step today is to create a new article layout. Having all posts follow the same layout will make the blog more cohesive, and it's also easier to edit them. A change made in the specific layout will be implemented on every article based on it. By default, in the layout, there are a few elements: a thumbnail that I'm going to push a bit lower so that the menu is visible, the publication date, header, and content. Those are the standard elements that you can hide or modify. Also, feel free to add more elements if you please. In the settings panel, I'm gonna change the name of the article layout, blog post template. Now, let's move on to article tab and add the new post category, blog. Okay, it's time to create our first article. Click New Article, choose the layout that we've just created and the category that the post is going to show under. Great! At first, let's add some nice bike image. I'm also going to change the header to bicycle trips and add some new content. It would be a good idea to diverse it a bit and add an image, not just a text. Maybe we can also add a video? Why not? I'm gonna paste YouTube video URL here, and now our post is really interesting. Let's go back to the home page and make some space to add the blog feed, where latest posts will show automatically. Click this icon and the blog feed will pop onto your website. Fantastic! To adjust its size, go to the settings. 3 articles in 3 rows. Thumbnail position on top, and I'm gonna manually set the size of the thumbnail. I'm gonna go with 350 to 200. Now let's set the headers margins, leaving more space above. As a displayed category, I'm gonna pick blog. As you can see, right now there is more articles than we have published, but don't worry, it's just an example of how it works. On the published website, everything will be fine. What we want to do now is to add to the articles a sign up to the newsletter element. The easiest way to do this is to add it to the article layout template that we've just created earlier. Copy this element and go to article layouts. Choose blog and edit. Now just paste the element and add bind so that the newsletter form won't be covered by any other elements. Now let's see if everything works as we want it to. Yeah, it's great. In our bicycle business, there is a content creator who writes blog posts, and we would like to allow them to add new articles and only articles. We don't want them to have access to the whole website. That's why WebWave offers a content management system. In Settings tab, go to the CMS users, add email address, password, and assign them a role. I'm gonna pick Editor-in-Chief and click Add User. Now I want to make sure that the content creator can add posts only in blog layout. To do so, go to the CMS Edit Permissions section in the settings panel of the blog layout. Click Allow to edit in CMS, and that's it. Since we don't want our editor-in-chief to edit posts from main category, switch it off there. Now let's publish the website and log in as a content creator. Let's go to the published website and to its URL type admin. Now we can log in. As you can see, the interface is very simplified to make things easier for our editor-in-chief. They don't have to learn how to use the website builder to add content. Now let's find out if everything works correctly by adding a new blog post. Change the image and add some text. Now go to the home page and see if the article is displayed in the blog feed. Great, everything works just fine. Let's also check if we can edit the main post layout, where we block the access for our editor. We can edit anything, so it definitely works. Fantastic! That's it! Our blog is set and done, waiting to be filled with wonderful content. Thanks for watching. Bye!